More than 30 years of experience in the Horti business. 17,000 square meters of stock facilities, 2,000 square meters of workshop and 20 dedicated employees. That is Hortimat. A unique seller of renewed horticultural machines. Unique because Hortimat supplies according to a fixed process, the Hortimat formula. A formula in which every machine is given a second life with the utmost care and attention. The process starts with steam cleaning. Our skilled mechanics perform construction and refurbishment works to bring the machine to an as good as new condition. Once the worn parts have been replaced, the machine will be thoroughly tested with the customer's product. Hortimat thinks along with the customer and provides tailor-made solutions. New controls, extending or shortening machines, conveyor belt automation and worldwide commissioning, including user training. Hortimat completely unburdens the customer. After delivery of the machine, the service doesn't stop. We offer maintenance, assistance with malfunctions, warranty and after-sales. A machine according to the Hortimat formula guarantees the customer a reliable and as good as new machine ready for a second life. By doing this, Hortimat and its customers contribute to a sustainable world. Search less, find more at Hortimat.